years ago, our community experienced a day that will never be forgotten. And that brought us together to look out for each other. On May 3rd, join us at the Doug Barnes Cabin for the 10-year wildfire anniversary from 10 a.m. to 4 p.m., or at an upcoming gathering in a rural community this spring. Take time to remember, to reflect, to connect, in whatever way feels right for you. However you choose to mark the day or not, remember that Fort McMurray Wood Buffalo is more than a place we call home. We are a community moving forward together.